This is Chris Vision from the Chris Cable Company. Please stand by as we resume communications.
Not like the rest, it's the best. My world, my space, my friends. I run to you when no one's there. No one can understand. There will be naturally.
Billy K.
Pop into Subway and open up a world of fun in every Fresh Fit for Kids meal. For a limited time, you can collect all 4 Klutz kits. One in every Better For You Subway Fresh Fit for Kids meal. Subway, Fresh Fit for Kids.
Chase Freedom Flex with new ways to earn cash back, like 5% on bonus categories like gas stations. And always earn 5% on travel purchased through Chase. 3% on dining, including takeout. And 3% at drugstores. It's the cashback card that goes the extra mile. New Freedom Flex. Bonus category spending limits apply, and you have to activate each quarter. Chase, make more of what's yours.
When school isn't a place you have to be, why not go to school where remote learning can be as remote as you want? Like a Verbo.
Looks like next up is Scout.
Hi, I'm here. So these are some plants I found hiking. Some wildflowers. Here we have a pine cone. And then, I don't quite remember what this is.
Wait, don't touch it!
Leave it 3. Let it be.
Whatever kind of vacation your family needs right now, find it on Verbo.
You can get into the awesome ridges of Honey Glazed Golden Grams. Bite after sweet, crunchy bite.
Hey, where'd the guys go?
Nowhere. They're right here.
Golden Grams with ridges that rock, a ramped up part of this nutritious breakfast.
Feeling cold? Try Hot Hands. Simply open the package, and they heat up quickly. Quick, long-lasting warmth. Go get your own. Hot Hands. Bring the heat.
For over 4 generations, the Lavazza family has perfected the art of blending coffee for a smooth and balanced taste of Italy. Lavazza. It's how you say coffee in Italian.
The following message is at the request of the United States government. At around 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, hundreds of enraged Trump supporters formed an angry mob outside the Capitol building, causing a riot. Police and other officials were called in to deal with the crowd, but were unsuccessful, and the angry crowd infiltrated the Capitol building. One woman was shot inside the building and pronounced dead at the hospital. Therefore, a law enforcement warning has been issued for the District of Columbia, D.C. area. If you are in this area, return to your homes immediately. Lock all your doors and windows, and do not let anyone in your residence or shelter. If you see anyone in the angry mob, Do not engage, for they may be armed and dangerous. A curfew has now been declared for the District of Columbia, D.C. area. Nobody is permitted outside their home or shelter from 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Wednesday, January 6th, until 6 a.m. on Thursday, January 7th, 2021, and all clear will be given when the situation is under control.
And reality. Sometimes, I can't tell myself from my machine. I think that's by design.
Keeping up in today's fast-paced world means having the most innovative technology. That's why I use the Flash Foods mobile app. I can find the nearest Flash Foods location and see how much I'll be paying at the pump, get coupons on the things I need most, and earn digital rewards. Plus, when I use GoBlue Mobile Pay to securely pay at the pump with an authorization code sent to my phone, I save 5 cents on every gallon. That's extra money towards my next vacation. The Flash Foods mobile app is available for iPhone and Android. Visit flashfoods.com today to sign up.
This winter, every kid's a winner at Chuck E. Cheese. Come in, peel your game piece, and instantly win an awesome prize, like free e-tickets, gameplay, and treats. 2 lucky kids will even win their own arcade game. It's a winter winnerland, only at Chuck E. Cheese.
What you drawing, sweetie?
It says drinking Minute Maid.
Wait a minute, where's your smile?
My glass is almost empty.
Here. Fill her up, Dad.
No, here.
Oh, this glass.
Minute Maid is born from the goodness of fruit and given with love.
That's a smile.
Yay.
To the fridge!
To the fridge!
Come into something good.
Okay, buddy. 14th time's a charm. Push, push.
Celebrate life's special moments with a McDonald's Happy Meal.
I don't think he knows how to stop.
Billy K.